Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews and Infiniti of Nashua. Today we have the 2022 Infiniti Q50 Luxe. This one, of course, is the all-wheel drive. And this is actually the first 2022 Q50 we've received. Came in just a few days ago, around the same time I started working here. Looks absolutely gorgeous. 300 horsepower, 3-liter V6, 295 pound-feet of torque, 7-speed automatic. This one here is finished in dynamic sunstone over stone. Very, very beautiful color combo. Looks awesome. Let's go for a drive. That's what this thing was built to do. Gorgeous interior in these. These things are just so fun to drive. Honestly, having a twin turbo V6 under the hood, I mean, you can, of course, if you want more power, step up to the Red Sport. Red Sport 400, of course, 400 horsepower. Same motor, just slightly different tuning. But honestly, just stepping out of a Red Sport, you can't really feel the difference. I didn't step out of it and go, oh wow, that thing's so much faster. You're gonna feel it once you start getting higher in speed, but around town, you won't feel the difference. It's like there, I could feel the difference. You're talking about 100 horsepower. It's not a gigantic difference once you're above 300 horsepower. Yeah, the difference between 100 horsepower and 200 horsepower, yeah, that's noticeable. But 3 to 400 and 4 to 500, you're really gonna have to know your stuff to feel the difference initially. What I like about this, when compared to the Germans, what would the German 330i? Yeah, I'll say a 330i. We'll say that. Maybe the 335. I don't know, it's just you don't see these all that much. And in my opinion, it feels faster. The power delivery just feels a little bit better. I don't know, man. These are a lot of fun. Especially the Red Sport. But the Red Sport goes more up against the M340i. And I really don't know which one I'd go for. But I honestly don't know why more people don't consider these. I believe, well, when things get back to normal, these have some pretty good lease specials, and honestly, at the end of the day, it's a Nissan product, so they're gonna be bulletproof, reliable. But either way, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.